My name is Nestor, and today I'm going to talk about you my third partial project of two-variable linear regression. My theme is micronutrient deficiency. My subtheme is prevalence of anemia in children from 2000 to 2019. First, we have here our first chart is about the world. I took the dot raw data of the chart to create a table and then put it in Numworks to give me the graph and to give my stats. With that data, I basically get the linear equation regression and my regression coefficient. My linear equation is y minus 0.459x plus 965.931, and my regression coefficient is minus 0.974. Then I have here a screenshot to see better the graph. Then we have here the graph, but we can see data from the world and Mexico. I took the raw data of Mexico and I put it in a table. Then I put that table into Numworks, and basically I get the linear equation relation and the regression coefficient. My linear equation is y equal to minus 0.505x plus 1041.2008, and my regression coefficient is minus 0.994. Okay, then I took a screenshot to see it better, and then here we have the linear equation and the regression coefficient. Then here I have a better a screenshot of this graph to see it better. Then we have here the interpolation. The interpolation of the slope. The slope is basically the value that has the x in the linear equation. So for world slope is minus 0.459, and for Mexico slope is basically equal to minus 0.505. So it is a little bit the same, the conclusion of this slope, because for each additional year increase in the world or Mexico, it decreased the prevalence of anemia in children. For example, in the world slope, it decreased 0.459, and for Mexico slope, it decreased 0.505. So these are the conclusion of for slope, and the comparison is that the slope of Mexico is higher with minus 0.505 than the world slope that it is of minus 0.459. So in consequence, Mexico reduced more faster the prevalence of anemia in children. Then here we have our extrapolation calculation, in which we it is easy because basically we substitute the x of 2030 into the linear equation. So it is minus 0.459 multiplied by 2030 plus 965.931. We do our calculation and it's approximately 34.161, and for Mexico it's the same. We just get a linear equation and we substitute the x of 2030 into the x, so it is basically minus 0.505 multiplied by 2030 plus 1041.208, and this value we get approximately 16.58. And for interpolation calculation, it is basically the same for extrapolation, but only we change the value of x. In this case, it's of 2010, and we substitute in the linear equation, and we do calculations, and we can see for 2010 is approximately 43.341 in for the world, and for Mexico we got approximately for 2010 26.158. in the raw data table from the website of the world, we can see 41.80. So it is basically approximately the same. And for Mexico, as I said, in my calculation, I get 26.158, and in the table of the website, we have a value of 25.10. So in conclusion, I think that as we know, this is a statistics and probability. So I affirm that my results are correct because are in like it is no far from the original values from the table. So that it's all, and thank you, and see you in the next video.